In part 1 of biomass production, we will investigate what it is and how it works. Biomass production is the total dry matter increase of your crop in kilogram per hectare per week. The biomass growth includes roots, shoots, fruits, twigs, leaves, and everything in between. It is strongly influenced by crop management, condition, as well as climatic circumstances. The biomass production data is delivered every Thursday evening and describes your crop's growth during the previous week. Please note that it does not represent the total accumulated biomass on your field. How does biomass production work? It can vary from no production all the way up to 3,000 kg per hectare per week. Common values for deciduous fruits grown in the Western Cape are between 500 and 1,500 kg per hectare per week. Younger crops will produce less biomass than full-bearing crops. The biomass production is also normally lower at the beginning and end of the season. This is because at the beginning of the season, the crop is not yet fully developed, and at the end of the season, the leaves start coloring, chlorophyll breaks down, and the fruit crop enters a period of dormancy. Climatic conditions also influence biomass production. As we can see in this typical biomass production graph, solar energy used for photosynthesis is more abundant in midsummer than in spring and fall, typically causing more biomass production in the summer months. However, there are also small variations in production from week to week. These are most likely caused by variation in meteorological conditions. For example, during a cloudy week, less energy for photosynthesis is available than in a week full of sunshine, causing biomass production to drop. The same holds for temperature. Very high or low temperatures will result in plant stress and limit crop growth. Please keep a lookout for part 2 of biomass production. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to contact us.